Today we're in Movie Studio 17 Platinum and we're going to talk about measures and beats and how Movie Studios has a few tools that can help you out. If you're recording music into Vegas or you're editing a music video, you might want to have the time signature of the song that you're editing to actually incorporated into Vegas. And there's a couple of ways you can do that, both with measures and beats and a metronome. So first off, if you hit this project properties, this little gear icon right here, you can go to the ruler tab, and then you can change it from time and frames, which usually will be in SMPTE drop frame or time and frames or something to do with your video, but you can go to measures and beats instead. Now with measures and beats, you can actually pick the time signature of your song. Well, however many beats are in a measure, whatever you need to do is right here, and then you get all the settings hit and you go apply. So I've just thrown some media into the timeline here, and when you play the video, you see, instead of the time code, you see what measure it is and what beat it is. And so that's cool. And so now, let's say you want an actual metronome to play. Instead of just having the grid rulers lining up to the music, you want the metronome to play with that. Go to Options, and then select Metronome, and you'll hear a metronome playing. So maybe you don't like that metronome. That's okay. Just go to Options, Preferences, and you can go to Audio, and here you can actually change your metronome sound. So you can go to Use Custom Metronome Sound, and I got one that I made earlier, and I will add it in there, and I will add it in for the accent and apply it. Okay, now let's listen. One last thing, this tutorial was suggested to me by somebody, and they were asking if there's an easier way to mark the beats. Now, if you're particularly trying to put a marker on each beat, you can hit M and create a marker every single time you are on a beat. Now, the thing is that takes a lot of time, so if you're wanting a marker, something that you can jump to each beat with, there is an easy way to do this. I have a script that you can install to your auto hotkeys. So auto hotkeys is something that will run automatic keyboard commands for you within a programmatic fashion. It's a free software, and you can download it and install it. It's super easy to use and write. I've already written an auto hotkey script that'll work for this, so if you're interested in auto hotkeys, give that a look. But if you like auto hotkeys, you already have it, just install this little script here, and you can change the numbers that you need to change. But for right now, I need to arrow over 15 times. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 times to hit a beat. So if I start right here at the beginning, my auto hotkey script is wired to Control J. It'll write 100 markers on each beat. Now it does get slightly off. If you zoom in here at 98, you will see that it is more kind of a fraction of a frame. I think that's something to do with how the sample rate is divisible by the numbers. But all in all, it'll be pretty close as your drum major ever was. Watch, it'll actually, as the cursor goes over a marker, you'll actually see it turn blue on each beat. If you have a video suggestion, let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do for you. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you're looking for more videos like this one. Anything you buy through the affiliates links below helps this channel out a ton. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.